Hello, littlers. Welcome to another ABC adventure. Today we're gonna have fun with the fantastic letter. This is the letter F. Can you say it with me? The letter F makes the sound F, like in fish. Let's say it together. F. Now let's learn some fun words that start with the letter F. Let's get started. F is for fish. For fish, say it with me. Let's learn phonics sound of F. F is for frog. Frog, can you say frog? F is for fox. For fox, say it with me. Let's learn phonics sound of F is for flower. Flower, flowers smell so nice. F is for fruits. F is for fruits and healthy fruits. Phonics sound of F. F is for food. Do you like playing football? Let's learn phonics sound of F. F is for fairies are magical. Let's learn phonics sound of Let's repeat one more tune. F is for fish. F is for flock. F is for fox. F is for flower. F is for fruits. F is for football. F is for fairy. Let's learn phonics sound.